Yeah.
Good. What's your next question?
Oh my God, my next question is about your books, especially the two books that you've written that explores the themes of consciousness, because that's what we were discussing today, and the theme of spirituality, the mystery of existence, which is exactly what we've actually talked about.
Well, yes, I've talked about the joy and power of your eternal self. That's one of them. I've written a book called The Power of the Mind, which is the different levels of consciousness in your mind.
Right.
I've written about healing, mechanisms of healing, because we heal the body, we heal the mind, and we heal the world.
Yeah.
You see, what's happened is that we've got a great bulk of people, 8 billion now, but we've been cutting down forests for centuries. And there needs to be a relationship between the massive forests and the massive humans. We need to build up the forest levels again, because that's where the oxygen is made in the green leaves. The green leaves, the green photosynthesis, it takes water and carbon dioxide. With the energy of sunlight, it produces oxygen, and it produces a substance. The chemical formula is C6H12O6, which is the basis of wood and the basis of food. So the greenery is, the bulk of it is important.
Yeah. Wow.
So I talk about that, but I also I've written various books about surgery and the effect of the sun on the skin. Because I grew up in the tropics with a fair skin, and I've treated that sort of thing for many years.
Right. Oh my God. That's very.
Did I answer that question?
Well, because you've answered the question from the all our previous discussions, and I just wanted to bring that to a wrap. Do you have any inspirational advice that you want to give, share with anyone out there who's listening to you today?
Yes, I do.